Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to construct a virtual environment in CMD and install TensorFlow CPU version and Keras inside. Okay, so we need command line, so type in CMD here, and it is handy to just pin to taskbar, so right click, pin to a taskbar, so everything is here. And then we click in the CMD. Okay, so the color scheme I don't like. So what we can do is that we can click either left click or right click here. It doesn't matter. On the left upmost of the window, and then choose properties. And screen background we change to white, so that is 255. And then screen text we change to 0, 0, 0, that is black. Okay, now it's much better. Okay, so one thing is that we want to construct a work directory. So make directory Python work, and then cd Python work. Okay, so so we construct a folder just in the root of C. With the name of Python work, and we will work always inside here. Okay, and then we will need to construct a virtual environment. So conda create name, and let's say this is TensorFlow CPU, and Python is 3.5 and a conda. Okay, and then it starts downloading things and trying to collect the environment, and we just need to wait a little bit. Okay, and then press Y, yes, and it starts downloading all of the libraries and dependencies that we need. Okay, so now everything is done, and to activate the environment as it is written here, you can say conda activate TensorFlow CPU, and this TensorFlow CPU is just a name. You can name it however whatever you want. So or in principle you can also try this activate TensorFlow CPU. Okay. And then we would like to install TensorFlow. So to install TensorFlow, just pimp install TensorFlow. If there is nothing following TensorFlow, then it's the CPU version. If you want to install the GPU version, then you need to add this GPU afterwards. Okay, so okay. And then you see that there are two dependencies that is missing. One is this MSG pack, and then another error is that cannot uninstall wrapped. So to solve this, first we can solve this MSG pack. That pimp install MSG pack. Okay, and then it says that the pip version is too low, and then we can first upgrade pip, and then install MSG pack. Okay, so now everything is set. And then to solve the problem of cannot uninstall wrapped, what we can do is that we can use this command pip install -u ignore installed wrapped. Okay, and then we go back again to install TensorFlow. So basically, this means that this package wrapped is somehow pre-installed, and you cannot uninstall it. But TensorFlow installation wants to uninstall it first and then install the correct version. And then there's a conflict. So with this line, we basically say that we just ignore the already installed wrapped and install it again. Okay, so now everything is fine, and we need to install Keras. So pip install Keras. That's very easy, right? Okay, so Keras is also installed. And okay, so up till now we have constructed the virtual environment using Anaconda, and whose name is TensorFlow CPU, and we installed TensorFlow inside, we installed Keras inside, and in the next video I will show you how to use Jupyter Notebook to write your code and to check whether everything is correctly installed. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.